Alrighty guys, how's it going? Today is a very special day. We're going to be taking this engine, Predator 212, the nice Mikuni car. You've probably seen it before. But we're going to pull this off, put some new valve springs in it.
Governor delete.
Governor delete.
We're going to pop the crankshaft out and take the governor gear off of the crankshaft to lighten that up. And we're just going to give it a good once over and try to do everything we can that's minor and free to make this engine run as good as possible.
Fast as possible.
My
So let me
homemade,
the intake. Let me see the intake. Cool.
homemade, quick and dirty, but it's a really cool. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Just hangs it out there. We're working on some Ram Air, but right now we're just trying to get this engine to run proper.
Yeah, right now we're just trying to get this engine to run proper.
Probably get this fuel pump out of the way. Uh-oh, we're leaking a little something. Alright, we pretty much got that stuff out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and take all the covers off now, just to make it a little easier on us. Damn, that thing's on there. Oh.
Dang. One's just missing? That's what happens when you ride tough, fool.
So I'm going to go ahead and take the flywheel off now.
Yeah.
While it's mounted to the bike, make it a little easier, I think.
So we're gonna go ahead and take the flywheel off now while it's mounted to the bike to make it easier.
Don't break nothing. There she is. Nice and easy does it. Alright, I need you to get a screwdriver. Also,
Well, it's a pain in the ass, God. Don't try this at home, kids. Or I mean, try this. It's not that bad.
oh, that looks black, yeah.
Oh, it looks super fresh, man. That's a good oil.
It's been in there a while, it looks like.
Yeah.
The oil's had some abuse.
Alrighty, guys. So as you can see, got the engine out of here, got the frame out of the way. Sam likes to go ahead and pull the flywheel off while it's on the frame, and yeah, as you can see, it's filthy. So we're gonna clean it up real quick, and then we are gonna get to work on it.
Looks like it's pushing oil through there.
Looks like it's pushing oil through here.
But we're going to
somehow.
seal that up once we put the governor in. Or
Yeah.
get rid of the governor.
Make the governor go bye-bye.
Yeah, and then we're going to seal the two openings that we create once we get rid of the governor.
Yeah.
But I got this degreaser. We're going to spray a little on and scrape this off real quick. And then we'll tear it open and start doing the good stuff. We've got the engine torn down for the most part, and we cleaned it up best we could with what we had. Next we're going to pop this valve cover off, and we're going to start removing the head so we can switch out our valve springs and lap the valves, and we'll take a look at the cylinder. Also, we're going to pull this side cover off so we can access the governor, and we're going to do a full governor removal. And then we'll put it all back together and see what she does. That's a 10, because I had a mount there, but it's gone now. Next thing we want to do is go ahead and pop these head bolts off. There we go. Cool, we got a little retainer in there. The inside of yours looks really good. You know what I mean? It doesn't seem like it's been burning rich at all. Try to lift this gasket without damage.
Seems how it's never came off, so it should be alright, huh?
Yeah, as long as you can get it off in one piece, it's fine. I think Vinny's tore because we got in a hurry, but it's alright. It's alright. What's this?
What?
Your governor already blew apart.
Oh, I blew my governor out.
Look at that.
What is it supposed to look like?
There's supposed to be a plastic gear thing down there of, I think there's a plastic piece that popped off.
She gone.
Luckily it was just the plastic.
I blew that bitch out. Yeah.
We'll get rid of the governor from the both sides, and we're gonna pop the crank out so we can pop that gear off. So next thing we want to do is take this bad boy out. Oh shit, don't break it. Slipped out of my hand, okay? Let's inspect that. Should be good. Oh yeah. I don't see any signs of wear or anything. I think we've been doing good with the oil changes.
Oh yeah.
That piece looks good. Oh yeah. We're good to go on that. No big deal.
There you go.
Okie dokie. I think just to make it easier, we're just gonna go ahead and pop the crank out now.
We're just gonna go ahead and pop that crank
And then
out.
we'll get everything out of the way, and then we'll work the crank.
We're gonna work that crank.
Oh, there she goes. Come out of there, baby. Don't come. I want to keep those in the right holes.
Keep them in the right hole. So, what do we do now?
Oh, there it goes.
There
Whew, must have been just a touch of a lip there or something.
you go.
Hurt my fingers. Fingertips. Vise. So the vise is holding it up, but it's touching the bottom, so it shouldn't move. And we're going to try to very gently punch. Give this a nice little tap. Feel it moving. She's a moving, but it's hard to, let me get a screwdriver because I need to be able to pry it over here because I can't tap it on that one. I see it moving. It's close. Oh yeah, it's real close. I just gotta get it. There we go. Bam. Governor gear delete. I got those gears laying around everywhere now. Alright. So next step is we gotta pop the other piece out of the block. Melt this down.
That little thing right there.
Yeah, that. Whoop, we gotta pop this piece out. We're gonna get rid of this arm because we don't need that anymore with your Mikuni style carb.
Right.
We're also gonna pop it out through there because it's just quick and easy. And we're gonna fill that hole with a bolt and fill the top hole with a bolt, and then we'll be in business.
Because that's how we roll.
And it should be done. we'll put it back together. Call it good. Seals a little.
There it goes. There it goes. Woo!
I was just afraid to beat
I
on
know.
it before because I didn't want to go, but we.
It's a good thing we did what we
Knock that
did.
lip
It
off.
looks like it's in there pretty tight. It's good.
Yeah.
Cool.
There it goes.
There it went.
She was tight, dog. So now you want to grab those with the magnet once I push it down.
Grab what?
These little clips inside there, those. Yeah, grab one and now the other one. There we go. There we go.
Your little clips are right here.
All right, get the magnet ready. There it is. That's what we want. Finally, you little bastard.
Well, every time you stuck anything to it, it's stuck to it.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, you're coming with me. No, motherfucker. Yeah, something that's not magnetic definitely helps.
Yeah. All right. But basically now, we get to now I gotta try and get this back.
That's good, I
I
think.
think that's better. Yeah, that feels good. That feels a little on the loose side, but it still has some drag, so it's good. Figure out where it goes. Stick it in. Yeah, there we go. Good.
Oh, she fits.
Got a nice fresh Halyard clutch. I think they're good. Looks good. Looks really pimping.
Yeah.
Feels really loose, so it should have a late stall. That goes on first. So we'll just do all new hardware.
Mm-hmm. If you came with it, why not?
Okay, I need that thing over there.
Yeah.
Like when I'm blowing rusty dust all over the side of the motor and the clutch and shit. called the backup. Sounds a little faster, I don't know.
It felt like I was hauling ass.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
48.